How to improve signal service on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can improve signal service on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, restart your phone. A quick reboot can reconnect your phone to nearest tower and sometimes improve your signal strength. So try to restart your device. And if that still does not help you, you could toggle on and off your airplane mode. Swipe down your notification panel, head over to airplane mode, turn on airplane for 10 seconds and turn it off to force your phone to search for the best network signal, and that will help you. If that still does not help you, update your phone software. Head over to settings in your device. Scroll down, head over to system. Then you could head over to software update. If the update is available, make sure that you install them all. Updates can improve network connectivity, so you could try to update your software as well. If that still does not help you, remove and reinsert your SIM card. First of all, power off your phone. Remove the SIM card, clean it gently and put it back. Then power on the device, and then your network problem will be solved. If still not, try to reset your network settings. Head over to settings in your device. Scroll down, head over to system. There is reset options, tap on it. Here at the top you have an option to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it. Here if you reset these settings, this will reset all of your network related settings, but it will not erase your data. So you could reset your settings, network settings from here, and then check if that helps you. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.